So could you explain how y'all achieved that 75% material efficiency in the footing design, and what exactly y'all are using that for?
Yeah, so this project was done for an energy company called as Iberdrola, and Iberdrola had a startup competition where they asked us like how our technology can influence or can help them build better, mine more sustainably. And we worked with their engineers to figure out where they are using concrete structures. So this is an energy company. So energy company builds a lot of energy infrastructure. So we came up with an idea of like how. So they built wind turbine installation. So every wind turbine there is a substation, and every substation has like around 50 pad foundations, which are right now they make it out of cubical casting. So they just like make a cast, a mold which is cube, and then just pour concrete because that's the most efficient way to do that foundation. So we thought like, okay, but like with 3D printing, we could actually optimize that design and can achieve the same structural performance which is needed. So Henry, my co-founder, who's a structural engineer, came up with first. He worked with the engineers, so from Iberdrola, from the client side, with all their structural needs, and then he created this geometry which was optimized to achieve the same structural results, but to use a minimum amount of material. So this particular foundation specifically can use 75% less material. There are other foundations which use 50% less material. There are other which can also use less material, which is 80%. So this was the one which was chosen because this was an average size of the foundation. It was 1.4 meter by 1.4 meter by 1 meter. And it was supposed to perform in a certain way. So when we also did like a pull-out test. We have the video on YouTube about that. So it was supposed to perform and break at 1 ton, and it broke at 2.7 tons. So it performed 3 times better than it was supposed to perform. So that was a validation that, first of all, A, you can reduce the amount of material which can be used. B, that it can perform the same way as like normal casted concrete structures perform. And yeah, so this is like the main question again, always with concrete 3D printing, everybody has that, is it going to perform the same way as like normal casted concrete structures will? And this was a proof of concept basically.